Data science genuinely demands a lot from a laptop. Serious CPU power for wrangling datasets, enough RAM to keep pandas and Jupyter happy, and often GPU muscle for training models locally. In 2026, there's a perfect machine for every workflow. I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. The Apple MacBook Pro is the genuine best overall pick for data scientists, delivering exceptional performance, all-day battery life, and a Unix-based environment that many data science tools genuinely feel most at home in. The standout is the genuine combination of powerful Apple silicon and outstanding efficiency, which delivers genuinely fast performance for data wrangling, model training, and notebook-based work, while running genuinely cool and silent and lasting well beyond a full workday on a single charge. A real advantage for anyone who works from coffee shops, libraries, or on the move. The unified memory architecture handles genuinely large datasets and memory-hungry workloads smoothly, and the excellent display makes genuine long hours of chart reading and coding comfortable. The macOS environment plays genuinely nicely with Python, R, and most data science tooling, and the premium build quality and long software support add genuine long-term value. Apple's reputation backs it. For data scientists who want the genuine best overall combination of power, battery life, and a smooth dev environment, the MacBook Pro is the most well-rounded, most all-day capable pick on this entire list. Check the link below and grab it today. The best all-round data science laptop. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 is the genuine budget-friendly GPU power pick, delivering a genuine discrete graphics card at a price that undercuts dedicated workstation laptops, ideal for data scientists who want local GPU compute without workstation pricing. The standout is the genuine combination of a capable discrete GPU and strong CPU performance at a relatively accessible price, which delivers genuinely real GPU acceleration for training smaller machine learning models locally, running CUDA workloads, and handling GPU-accelerated data processing. A real advantage for students and hobbyist data scientists on a budget. The high refresh display and powerful processor handle genuine demanding multitasking between notebooks, IDEs, and data visualization tools smoothly, and the ample RAM options support genuine large dataset work. The efficient cooling keeps genuine sustained workloads running well, and the solid battery life, while not class-leading, covers genuine typical work sessions. ASUS's reputation for capable gaming-turned-workstation laptops backs it. For budget-conscious data scientists who want genuine local GPU power, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 is the most accessible, most GPU value pick on this entire list. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 is the genuine maximum local compute pick, delivering serious discrete GPU horsepower for data scientists who need genuine heavy local model training and deep learning capability. The standout is the genuine powerful discrete graphics card paired with a top-tier processor, which delivers genuinely substantial GPU acceleration for training larger machine learning and deep learning models locally, handling genuinely demanding CUDA and parallel computing workloads that lighter laptops simply can't manage. A real advantage for serious ML practitioners who want desktop-class compute in a laptop. The generous RAM and fast storage options support genuine massive datasets and memory-intensive workloads, and the robust cooling system sustains genuine heavy, prolonged compute sessions without throttling. The high refresh sharp display suits genuine long hours of data visualization and coding, and the sturdy build handles genuine daily heavy use. Lenovo's Legion reputation for serious performance backs it. For data scientists who want the genuine most local GPU compute power available, the Legion Pro 7i is the most powerful, most compute maximalist pick on this entire list. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 is the genuine ultra-portable pick, delivering ThinkPad's legendary keyboard and business-grade reliability in a genuinely feather-light laptop for data scientists who prioritize portability. Where the Legion Pro 7i chases raw compute, the X1 Carbon focuses on genuine lightweight, all-day portability, a real advantage for data scientists who spend more time in meetings, presenting findings, or working from client sites than running heavy local training jobs. The standout is the genuine combination of a remarkably light chassis and capable everyday performance, which handles genuine notebook-based analysis, cloud-connected workflows, and typical data science tasks smoothly while remaining genuinely comfortable to carry all day. A real advantage for anyone who relies on cloud compute rather than local GPU power. The legendary ThinkPad keyboard makes genuine long coding sessions comfortable, and the rugged, military-tested build survives genuine travel life. The strong battery life and business security features round it out. Lenovo's ThinkPad reputation backs it. For data scientists who want a genuine, ultra-portable machine for cloud-connected, on-the-go work, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon is the most portable, most travel-ready pick on this entire list. Closing out the list with the Lenovo ThinkPad P14S Gen 6 AI, the genuine workstation certified pick, delivering ISV certified reliability and a dedicated NPU for AI accelerated workloads in a genuinely mobile workstation form factor. The standout is the genuine combination of workstation-grade certification and a built-in AI processing unit, which delivers genuinely verified compatibility and stability with professional data science and engineering software, plus dedicated on-device AI acceleration for genuinely efficient local inference and lighter AI workloads. A real advantage for data scientists in professional or enterprise settings who need certified reliability. The capable processor and ample RAM options handle genuine demanding data science workflows smoothly, and the ThinkPad-grade keyboard and build quality suit genuine long professional workdays. The workstation certification ensures genuine compatibility with specialized professional software, and the robust security features suit genuine enterprise environments. Lenovo's ThinkPad workstation reputation backs it. For data scientists in professional or enterprise settings who want genuine workstation-certified reliability with AI acceleration, the ThinkPad P14S Gen 6 AI is the most workstation-certified, most enterprise-ready pick on this entire list. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because laptop deals move fast. If this helped you find the right laptop for data science, smash that like button and subscribe to TechMag for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.